on the order ticket, what do max ROI and probability ITM mean?
These are great little widgets. I mean, we launched those maybe 2 months ago. Yeah. It's really cool, right? So you go to a lot of platforms, and we've talked before. I mean, we're very passionate about constantly innovating and trying to give our customers more intelligence. And a lot of feedback we were getting customers, and this is a great example of acting on feedback, was when they look at a trade, being able to look at probabilities with the trade. So if you're trading a binary option, what is the probability that that option is going to make me money, simply put, right? So probability ITM, probability of being in the money at expiration, so you make money on your trade. So right there, that little widget gives you that probability so that when you're looking at it, you can visualize, okay, well, I've got a 79% chance, so on and so forth. I don't know if you want to talk. I know you were instrumental in the ROI.
I think the ROI and the in the money, I think you did a great job describing them. I think an important point that I want everyone to be aware of, virtually all of the improvements that we make to our platform and what guides us as a company and is our roadmap, which I'm extremely proud of, is the feedback from the people that are actually using it. What do they want to see? Can we do everything we'd like to at the drop of a hat? No, right? We still have a roadmap. We still have to prioritize, but we prioritize that based on feedback. And this is a great example. When we look at the probability, it came from questions and feedback from our members and people using the platform. And admittedly, I think Travis said complacency kills. We never want to be complacent, but I'd also say, we can be happy, we can just never be satisfied. So we need to continue to grow and learn. And this is where I'm going to put the responsibility on everybody watching this. Give us the feedback right from the platform. Hit the feedback button. We look at that. We look at that on a daily, weekly basis, and that's how we prioritize all of our developments.
Yeah, and when as an example, the ROI feature was, we were getting a lot of feedback from customers just simply saying, all right, I understand like where I got into the trade and the probability bit of it, and I can kind of do that math in my head, but I'd love to just be able to see cleanly, simply, what is my return on investment at the end of the day going to be on a percentage basis? So is my return on investment 20%, 30%, 40%? Just being able to calculate that gives that trader a better understanding when placing the trade. Because a lot of traders, they have ROI requirements. Well, I only want to, I'm only placing trades that I know I'm going to make X amount on. So it's just a very simple widget that gives you that color right then and there.